Chapter 16 Excretory Products and Their Elimination. Notes and Summary from Class 11th, Subject Biology. Introduction. The body produces various metabolic waste, including nitrogenous waste such as ammonia, urea, and uric acid, along with CO2, ions, Na positive, K positive, Cl negative, and water. These wastes must be removed to maintain homeostasis. Types of nitrogenous waste. First, ammonia, most toxic, highly soluble, excreted by aquatic animals, ammonotelic. Second, urea, less toxic, requires less water, excreted by mammals, ureotelic. Third, uric acid, least toxic, excreted as paste, pellet, reptiles and birds, uricotelic. Excretory organs in different animals, flame cells, protonephridia, flatworms, rotifers. Nephridia, earthworms. Malpighian tubules, insects. Green glands, crustaceans. Kidneys, vertebrates. 16.1 Human excretory system. The human excretory system consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. Kidneys, bean-shaped reddish brown, located between T12 and L3 vertebrae, protected by a tough capsule. Internal structure of kidney. Cortex, outer region. Medulla, inner region, contains medullary pyramids. Cortical regions project between pyramids, columns of Bertini. Inner concave region has hilum, leading to renal pelvis and calyces. Nephron, functional unit. Each kidney has approximately 1 million nephrons. Structure of nephron. First, Malpighian body, Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, capillary tuft. Second, renal tubule, PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, Henle's loop, descending plus ascending limbs, DCT, distal convoluted tubule, collecting duct. Types of nephrons. Cortical nephrons, short Henle's loop. Juxtamedullary nephrons, long Henle's loop, essential for concentrated urine. Blood supply. Afferent arteriole, glomerulus, afferent arteriole, peritubular capillaries. In juxtamedullary nephron, long vasa recta. 16.2 Urine formation. Urine formation involves 3 main steps. First, glomerular filtration takes place in Bowman's capsule. Pressure filtration due to glomerular blood pressure forms ultrafiltrate protein-free plasma. GFR approximately 125 ml per minute, approximately 180 liter per day. Juxtaglomerular apparatus JGA regulates GFR. Drop in GFR, JG cells release renin, increases blood pressure, restores GFR. Second, reabsorption. 99% of filtrate is reabsorbed by active transport, glucose, amino acids, Na positive, passive transport, water, urea. Third, tubular secretion. Active secretion of H positive, K positive, NH3 helps maintain pH and ionic balance. 16.3 Function of the tubules. Proximal convoluted tubule PCT, brush border epithelium, maximum reabsorption, 70 to 80% water and electrolytes reabsorbed, absorbs glucose, amino acids, secretes H positive and NH3, Henle's loop, descending limb, permeable to water, not electrolytes, filtrate becomes concentrated. Ascending limb, impermeable to water, pumps electrolytes, filtrate becomes dilute. helps maintain medullary osmotic gradient. Distal convoluted tubule DCT, conditional reabsorption of Na positive and water, regulates pH, K positive and HCO3 negative levels. Hormone sensitive region, collecting duct, final water reabsorption, highly concentrated urine, some urea diffuses to interstitium, maintains pH via H positive and K positive secretion. 16.4 Mechanism of concentration of the filtrate. Counter current mechanism occurs between first Henle's loop, descending versus ascending limbs, second vesa recta, descending versus ascending limbs, creates a medullary osmotic gradient 300 to 1200. Importance: enables production of concentrated urine, conserves water, juxtamedullary nephrons are essential. 16.5 Regulation of kidney function. First, ADH, antidiuretic hormone, produced by hypothalamus, released from posterior pituitary, increases water reabsorption in DCT and collecting duct. Lack of ADH, dilute urine. Second, renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system RAAS. Low BP, GFR, JG cells secrete renin. Renin converts angiotensinogen to angiotensin II. Powerful vasoconstrictor, increases BP and GFR, stimulates aldosterone release, Na positive and water reabsorption. Third, atrial natriuretic factor ANF, released when blood volume is high, causes vasodilation, opposes RAAS, reduces BP and GFR. 16.6 Micturation, urine formed by nephrons, collecting ducts, renal pelvis, ureter, bladder. Stretch receptors in bladder send signals to CNS. CNS initiates contraction of bladder plus relaxation of urethral sphincter. Micturition reflex, involuntary reflex but controlled voluntary. Adult excretes 1 to 1.5 liter urine per day. Normal urine, light yellow, slightly acidic pH 6, contains urea 25 to 30 gram per day, no glucose or proteins. 16.7 Role of other organs in excretion. Lungs, removes the CO2 approximately 200 ml per minute and water vapor. Liver, produces bile containing bilirubin, biliverdin, hormone waste, drugs, eliminated through digestive waste. Skin, sweat glands remove NaCl, small urea amounts. Sebaceous glands remove lipids, waxes. Saliva, eliminates small quantity of nitrogenous waste. 16.8 Disorders of the excretory system. First, uremia. High urea levels requires hemodialysis. Second, hemodialysis. Blood is passed through an artificial kidney. Waste diffuse out through semi-permeable membrane. Purified blood returned to body. Third, kidney transplant. Permanent solution to kidney failure. Best donor, close relative for lower rejection risk. Fourth, renal calculi, kidney stones, crystallized salts. Fifth, glomerulonephritis, inflammation of glomeruli. Summary: animals excrete ammonia, urea or uric acid depending on habitat. Human kidneys contain nephrons that filter blood to form urine. Urine formation involves filtration, reabsorption and secretion. Henle's loop and vesa recta maintain osmotic gradient. ADH, RAAS and ANF regulate kidney function. Micturition is a reflex controlled by CNS. Lungs, liver, skin and saliva also help in excretion. Disorders include uremia, kidney stones, glomerulonephritis, and kidney failure. So friends, we have completed notes and summary of chapter 16, excretory products and their elimination. We will do question answers of this chapter in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like, hype the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.